We have already talked about coconut oil on the channel a few times. Did you know that this oil is amazing for health? If you want to learn about its benefits, watch the video that is being suggested to you right now. However, many people still don't know its benefits and why they should add coconut oil in their daily lives. What about you? Do you know why? Many people are in its favor, many others against it. The fact is that coconut oil has a high amount of medium-chain triglycerides, which is not exactly advantageous to our health. But coconut oil is also well absorbed by the body, especially in the liver, and is soon converted into energy, so it is not stored as fat. For most scientists, the medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, are responsible for most of the coconut oil's benefits. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Coconut oil contributes to weight loss and cardiovascular system, lessens the symptoms of thyroid, and aids in the treatment of poor digestion. Its soothing effects reduce the bad cholesterol levels in the body. How amazing is that? Besides, this oil is a potent anti-inflammatory that reduces LDL cholesterol, bad, while increasing HDL cholesterol, good. It acts as an antioxidant thanks to its high concentrations of vitamin E and gallic acid. These and other benefits are proven in scientific literature and papers, which highlight coconut oil's action in the prevention and treatment of Alzheimer's, HIV/AIDS, cardiovascular diseases, cancer, diabetes, diabetes plus obesity, and infections. How amazing is it? One of the most interesting studies on the subject is one by the American doctor Mary Newport. After seeing her husband diagnosed with premature Alzheimer's, Mary decided to add coconut oil to his diet. In a few months, her husband took back activities that he had already stopped doing, like reading or running because of the neurological disease. Her husband's improvement made Mary write the book, Alzheimer's Disease: What If There Is a Cure? The book was a New York Times bestseller. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil daily if you want to get the benefits of this food. It will also be good to protect your brain. Try it for 2 weeks, excluding other vegetable oils from your diet, to see the positive results. You will immediately notice an improvement in your fatigue, cognitive capacity, and intestine function, besides many other benefits. That's wonderful. A nice trick is to add a spoon of coconut oil to your black coffee in the morning. This way your coffee will taste sweeter while helping your brain to get ready for your daily activities. Is coconut oil already part of your life? If you use it, share your experiences with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.